All right guys, John there. I want to show you what we do when we bringing our joist over and we have a drop beam and somebody's up on the ledger ready to nail it in. Obviously we're not going to have someone here, so we only have two guys, so Joey's on camera. I just want to kind of give you the gist of what we do. Is one, we find crown first. Crown is over here on my right side, so I know that. Very important to make sure that we're finding that crown when we're picking it up and bringing it over. And then I'll show you how we do it. If you want to get under, get that joist kind of balanced. All right, I like to have a little bit in the back, so my right hand is pushing down a little bit. And we'll come in here, and we kind of tight quarters. So you just got to swing it around. All right, we'll set it on the beam right here. And then someone will be standing on there. We'll lift this up, he'll grab it, and then go, and I'll go get the other one while he's nailing it on. All right, so that's how we set our joist. When we have a drop beam, we bring it over, put it on the beam first, hand it to him, okay? Flush beam, we're gonna probably have two guys on either side nailing while one guy's bringing. So that's what we do with a drop beam.